Welcome to MAP testing spring or January 2014. Last time I made your classes for you, but this time you're actually going to build your own classes, one for each content area, one for math, one for reading, one for science. When you log in, remember you will be using your email address and you have a unique password. If you forgot that password, here is your forget password area right here. You'll go into Manage Test Sessions. You'll find Students to Test at McClure. Choose your grade. For this test, I'm going to create it as Mrs. Luthi. Here is her class, and I do know that this student is in her class, so I'm going to select him for this test. Now remember, if there is a student that Lisa and Valerie are testing, do not include them in their list because they will be making their own classes, so you need to refer to the email they sent to you. You will add each student until you have all of the students' names listed here. You can put a check mark by each name individually, or if you click in this box, it will go ahead and check all of them. We need to save this test session. We'll all use the same format: MCC, Luthi, R for reading, we use M for math, S for science. In this case though, for the January test, let's go ahead and put Jan after here. We now have this created. Now when you go back into test sessions and you click show, then you will have your session will show up right here. Now this time though, you're not going to have to put in H. Hammonds because you all are actually creating it. When you're ready to test, you will click on the dot next to it, click Test Now. Just as a refresher, remember you'll give this test name to your students and the password. It will show up here that they need to be confirmed. You'll confirm them and they may begin testing. If you're new to this, remember you can continue to refresh. You'll bring your iPad down to the library or the computer lab. You can see the pace that your students are going. Maybe you need them to slow down or just to see exactly where they're at. Okay, when everybody has finished, you may end the testing session here. And we will obviously be deleting this, but that's all you need to know.